will show you how to download OBS Studio and how to install OBS Studio so you can set up OBS Studio quickly and easily. So let's get it started. Download OBS Studio, then you want to install OBS Studio, then launch OBS Studio. It will then bring you to the auto configuration wizard, but we're just gonna close it. So then go to the settings, then go to the output section, hover down to the recording section over here. Then for the recording part, just set it to default unless you want to change it. For the recording quality, I'm just gonna keep it at either indistinguishable or high quality. High quality tends to be a good sweet spot. For the video encoder, you want to use your hardware encoder instead of software. I will pick hardware NVIDIA Catch 264, but if you don't have it showing up, then you can choose software X264 instead. Apply the settings and then you want to go on audio. For the desktop audio, keep it at default. Then for the mic, you want to choose the mic that you're going to use. For me, it is the Fifine K688 microphone. I recommend the Fifine K688 as it provides studio quality sound at a fraction of the price, and the quality is just amazing in these. Then you just want to apply the settings after you're done. Then go on video, and for the canvas resolution, you just want to make sure it's a resolution of your monitor. So for the scale resolution, you just want it to be the same as your canvas resolution. For the custom FPS value, you want to make it 60 unless you're recording something with a lower FPS or you're having some lag in your recording, then you can go for 30 FPS. But then go on advanced, and then you want to go and then tick automatically remix to MP4. Then you just want to click on OK. Then go on sources, click on the plus button. You could either add a game capture for your games or display capture to add your computer screen. I will select display capture. You can then see our computer screen will show up on OBS Studio. So yeah, this is how to download and install OBS Studio on your PC or laptop.